dead car battery never happens at a good time, but fortunately a quick jump start can bring the battery back to life and you on your way. But it's important to jump start the battery in the correct way. We suggest you always have a set of jumper cables in your car to help yourself or someone else when a battery fails. Use caution when working with automotive batteries. Always wear safety glasses and work in a well-ventilated area. The first thing you want to do is park the working vehicle near the car that needs to be jumped, but don't let them touch. If possible, position the cars nose to nose about 18 inches apart. Next, shut off the ignition on both cars and remove the keys. Be sure to turn off the lights, radio, and other accessories that will drain power. To begin, connect the red or positive jumper cable clamp to the dead battery's positive post. You will see a plus on the battery near this post. Now that you have the jumper cable connected to the battery, do not touch the metal portion of the jumper cable clamps to each other, or any part of the car, except the proper battery terminal. After connecting the red clamp to the positive post of the dead battery, connect the other red or positive clamp to the positive post of the good battery. Now connect the black clamp to the negative post of the working vehicle's battery. Make sure all clamps are secure before making the final connection. Finally, secure the black clamp to any unpainted metal surface of the engine of the dead car. Do not clamp to the battery post. Do a final check to make sure all cables are set and make sure everyone is clear of the engines. Now start the working car. Let it idle for a few minutes to charge the dead battery. Rev the engine slightly by pressing on the gas pedal lightly. After a few minutes, turn the ignition in the dead car on. Let both cars idle for a few minutes. Once the dead car is running smoothly, disconnect the battery jumper cable in the reverse order. Disconnect the black negative clamp from the previously dead car first. Then, disconnect the black or negative cable from the negative post of the good battery. Remove the positive or red clamp from the good battery. And finally, remove the red clamp from the previously dead battery. Now you can drive your car. Be sure to go to a safe area before turning it off.